Hi everyone. Today we're going to build off of what we started yesterday, thinking about how to make the that vowel controlled R sound, which is we call it the Bossy R. So there's different ways that this can sound, and what it shows at the top, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 in boxes, and it shows the different ways that this Bossy R can sound. So number 1 says as in fur, her, and sir. So sometimes the Bossy R sounds like Sometimes the Bossy R sounds like ear, and it can be spelled E-A-R, can be spelled I-R, just like an ear and spear or spirit. It can also sound like air or fairy or berry. And then it can also sound like like fury, and that's that glided U sound. So what you're going to do on page 110 today is you're going to fill in the blanks with the correct spelling of the Bossy R, and you're going to label it with a number, like which rule it follows. So I'm going to do the first column with you. So if you don't have your spellography book yet, I would go ahead and get it and turn to page 110. You can pause the video. And I'm going to do the first column with you, and then you're going to do the rest by yourself, and then you're going to upload this page to Seesaw. Okay? So here we go. The first word is going to be squirm. So I'm going to write in squirm, and that sounds like so it's going to be number 1. And I actually know that squirm is going to be I-R, squirm. It's one of our list words. Many of these are. Some of them are not our list words, but most of these are our list words. The next one is spirit, ear. That's rule number 2. And to get that, I write I-R. Then we have Saturday, and Saturday is a weird one, and it's actually U-R. We have cherry. So it's an E-R, but it sounds like air. So it's actually going to be rule number 3. This next word is merit. And that also sounds like air. We have mural. Remember, we're just filling in the blanks with E-R, I-R, or U-R. Your, that's going to be 4. Mural. Then we have stern. Like I'm going to be stern or very serious. And that's going to be 1. This next one is sheriff. The sheriff is E-R. And it sounds like air. So it's going to be 3. We have mirror. That's I-R, and that's going to be 2 because it sounds like ear. Mirror. We have Thursday, and Thursday, just like Saturday, has a U-R, and that's going to be rule number 1. We have luxury, U-R, also going to be 1. And then we have mercury, which has 2 actually. So we have and then curie, and that's a U. So E-R and U-R. So we actually have a 1, and then we also have rule number 4, that U-R sound. So what you're going to do today is you're going to finish page 110 when this video is over. We're going to do a little bit more on this video. And then you're going to upload page 110 to Seesaw. Okay, page 110. You're also going to do page 112. This one's going to be really fast. All you're doing is you're dividing these words into syllables by scooping. So I'm going to get you started. In burger, it would be burger, just like that. Swimmer. Squirm is just 1, so just be that. And you're going to finish page 112. So you're going to do page 112, okay? You do not need to do that thing at the bottom of 112. The last thing you're going to do won't take you very long at all. It's on page 119. You're going to choose 8 of these words. It doesn't matter. And we're not going to worry about those here. But you're just going to choose 8 of the words from this list. and you're going to put them in alphabetical order below. That's it. You get to choose the words and then put them in order. Okay. So to recap, you are to finish 110. You're going to upload it to Seesaw. You're then going to do 112, and then you're going to do 119. These will not be on Seesaw, but I will have answers posted tomorrow.